Don't be deceived by the 2025 Audi RS Q8's understated looks. Under the hood, it's packing the same powertrain as the wild Lamborghini Urus. Built on Audi's Q8 SUV platform, the RS Q8 is engineered to keep up with the Lambo thanks to its twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. Not only is it thrilling to drive with sharp handling, but it's also surprisingly comfortable for everyday commutes. Inside, the cabin is filled with premium materials, high-tech displays, and connectivity features galore. This is Audi's flagship SUV, and while the six-figure price may cause a double take, remember, it's about $100,000 cheaper than a Urus. For 2025, Audi gave the RS Q8 a fresh look, adding a new performance trim with 631 horsepower, an upgraded exhaust, and an electric motor-assisted suspension to keep things steady in tight corners. Pricing starts at $137,595, which includes adaptive air suspension, 22-inch wheels, heated and cooled seats, and a 17-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. The twin-turbo V8 engine delivers 631 horsepower, compared to the SQ8's 500, with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive and an 8-speed transmission. A 48-volt hybrid system also kicks in to help with fuel efficiency. Plus, the active roll stabilization adjusts stiffness for hard cornering, keeping it agile despite its size. In tests, the RS Q8 rocketed to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, only 0.1 seconds slower than the much pricier Urus. The new performance trim could be even quicker, but we haven't had the chance to push it yet. Inside, the RS Q8 features special trim and sporty front seats with extra bolstering for intense drives. Spacious and comfortable, it has ample room for passengers and cargo, with RS logos dotted around for flair. Audi's virtual cockpit display offers RS-specific performance data, including torque, power, lap times, and G-forces. Of course, you also get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi, and more. In a world where SUV performance is sky-high, the RS Q8 proves you can have Lamborghini-level thrills without breaking the bank entirely. So, is this white-hot SUV worth it? For the power, luxury, and tech, it just might be.